Dude, I can't. I'm broke. No, yeah, I just got a gig at this farm. It's in the middle of nowhere, but it pays a lot. Yeah, I just parked. I'll call you later.
Ah! Howdy. Well, I'm glad you could come out. Really need some help around here.
Oh, no problem. I really need the money.
And tell me about it. Goddamn economy. Afternoon, Wendy.
Morning, boy.
It's my wife. Pretty, ain't she?
Yeah, I guess so.
Don't try to fuck her.
What?
You heard me. A lot of temptation on this farm. Don't fuck my wife. Don't fuck anything around here.
Okay.
Over here. This here's Bessie. I take very good care of her. Love her to death.
Wow. She's adorable.
She is. She's a real beauty, ain't she?
Hey, you get to, I don't know, ride her a lot?
Or what did I just say?
About what?
Don't fuck my donkey.
Jeez, dude, I don't want to.
You tell me you don't want to dick down that beautiful, sexy fucking creature out there.
Ew, stop. No.
Well, listen, if you fuck Bessie, I'll kill you.
Okay. I wanna fuck Bessie.
You can rest here, take naps and whatnot. Engine don't start though, so don't bother with it.
Well, I'm pretty handy with engines. I can take a look under the hood. What's wrong?
I see that horny look in your eye.
I'm not horny.
Oh, you don't want to pound this beautiful sex machine?
How would I even do that?
I don't know, you tell me, you little freak.
I don't want to fuck the trailer.
Listen, don't fuck this can of
Okay.
beans. Don't fuck this cup.
No, I won't.
This here box of matches, I don't want you fucking this
Okay,
either.
I don't know how to do that. I got it. I won't fuck anything. Dude, he thinks I want to have sex with his donkey or something. No, I don't want to fuck the donkey. Yeah. I know. You're right, I know. I'll talk to you later.
Fuck.
Hey man, I'm not sure about working here.
I knew it. You can leave.
No, I meant I can't work here because you're a psycho. But I just need the money. So.
I get it. You and me, we're the same. I used to fuck donkeys, horses, trailers. This here bucket.
Okay.
There. Ain't much. Fuck this if you want.
I'm good.
Listen, I know this farm is very sexy, and it's hard to keep it under control. But I'm willing to pay you $500 a day if you can keep in your pants for me.
Sure.
All right. I'm gonna go check on Bessie. I'm gonna fuck the horse.
I know.